Yeah, I guess it does.
Aha! Now that's what I call a plan.
You did it! I'm really proud of you.
A lot of those ideas were yours. I couldn't have done it without you.
We make quite the team, huh?
I certainly think so.
I know that look. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. It's just, well, yeah, Tuff's right. This is huge. Vigo, Burke, the Edge, and my dad putting his trust in me. If the mission fails, we could lose the Dragon Eye forever. And that could mean the end of the dragons, and they could be hunted to extinction, and
But they won't be, because this mission will not fail.
And then there's this Project Shellfire thing. I mean, what?
Hiccup, stop. You spent months planning this. It's gonna work.
Oh my Thor! What are you two? Wait, I know. It's so obvious.
It is.
Of course! You're discussing where to hide the Dragon Eye once we get it back. Well, Meatlug and I are way ahead of you, aren't we, girl? We've got hiding places inside our hiding places. Well, I'm gonna go give Meatlug some andesite. Helps her sleep when she's this excited. Carry on, you two.
That was close.
Yeah. Wait, why do we care if they know about us?
I mean, we don't. I guess it's all so new. I just want to share it with you right now, you know? Look, we'll tell everyone. I just want the time to be right.
Yeah, I get it. This isn't the time. We can't take a chance on anyone doing anything different, including us.
Did you seriously think I'd leave here with just a handshake?
Yeah, I know. She's something else, huh, bud? We'll be okay, bud. This nightmare looks like it's finally over.
Are you sure about that, Hiccup?
Vigo. Well, let me guess. You want the Dragon Eye in exchange for Astrid.
Oh, it sounds so much colder when you say it like that. But yes. While I do appreciate your assistance in putting my brother back in his rightful place, I must insist that you return it to where it belongs, with me.
Hiccup, don't even think about it.
Come now. Are you really going to sacrifice your future? All the wonderful years you have ahead of you for that?
Wow, Vigo. Well, I guess when you put it that way... No, I'm not!
No!
Vigo, didn't have to end this way.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
It's finally over. It is over, right?
Yeah, of course. Definitely.
I should have listened to you. You are our leader. Our relationship can't get in the way of that. It won't happen again.
Just promise me you won't stop telling me what you're thinking. Astrid, I rely on you. It's what makes us, well, us. Deal?
Deal.
This changes everything.
Wait, so does this mean you're not dying?
Yeah, bring it in for the real one, Hiccup. Okay, gang. Once more around the island. Let's make sure the edge is secure.
Hiccup, I was thinking, I might have a way to help with this gambling problem. Now, it's gonna take some time. There's like, I don't know, 10 to 12 steps. I'll finish it in a few days.
For the last time, what are you guys talking about?
Woo!